Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Anna wakes up early. The sun is shining. She stretches and gets out of bed. Anna. Good morning. It's a new day. I want to speak better English today. She walks to the kitchen and makes some coffee. She likes her mornings quiet. Quiet means no noise or very little sound. Anna. Okay, what's my plan today? Work, lunch with Sarah, and maybe a walk in the evening. She checks her phone. Anna. Oh. Sarah says. Let's meet at 1 p.m. for lunch. That sounds nice. Good morning. It's a new day. I want to speak better English today. Let's meet at 1 p.m. for lunch. Anna goes to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth and washes her face. Then she gets dressed for work. Anna looking in the mirror. You look ready. Let's go. She grabs her bag and walks out the door. Mirror is the glass where you see yourself. Anna walks to the bus stop. She waits for the bus. Woman at the bus stop. Hi there. Nice weather today. Anna smiling. Yes, it's very sunny. I like sunny mornings. Woman. Are you going to work? Anna. Yes, I work in an office downtown. Woman. Oh, that's nice. Have a good day. Anna. You too. Have a great day. The bus arrives. Anna gets on and finds a seat. Have a good day is a polite and friendly way to end a short conversation. Anna feels happy. She spoke English this morning. She had a nice chat with a stranger. And now she is on her way to work. Anna walks into her office building. She smiles at the security guard. Anna. Good morning. Security guard. Good morning, Anna. How are you today? Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you? Security guard. I'm great. Have a nice day at work. Anna. Thanks. You too. Anna takes the elevator to the 3rd floor. She steps out and sees her coworker Ben. Hey Anna. Did you get my email? Anna. Oh, not yet. I'll check now. She walks to her desk, turns on her computer and checks her email. Anna. Hi Anna. Please bring your notes for today's meeting. Thanks, Ben. Anna smiling. Okay, got it. Did you get my email? Please bring your notes. I'll check now. At 10 a.m., Anna walks into the meeting room. Her boss, Ms. Taylor, is there. Ben and 2 other co-workers are also in the room. Ms. Taylor. Good morning, everyone. Let's start. Everyone sits down. They talk about new projects. Ms. Taylor. Anna, can you tell us your idea? Anna. Yes, I think we can use new pictures for the website. It will look fresh. Ms. Taylor. That's a great idea. Thank you, Anna. Anna. You're welcome. After the meeting, Anna talks to Ben again. Anna. Thank you for your help earlier. No problem. Your idea was good. Anna. I want to speak more clearly in meetings. You're doing great. Just keep practicing. That's a great idea. I want to speak more clearly. Anna goes back to her desk. She works on a report and sends some emails. At noon, she hears a message on her phone. Text message from Sarah. Ready for lunch. Anna smiling. Yes. I'll meet you at the café. Anna tells her boss. I'm going for lunch now. Ms. Taylor. Okay. Enjoy your break. Anna. Thank you. She grabs her purse and leaves the office. Anna walks down the street to a small café near her office. She sees her friend Sarah waiting outside. Anna. Hi, Sarah. Sorry I'm a little late. Sarah. No problem. I just got here too. They walk into the café and look at the menu. Sarah. What are you getting? Anna. I think I'll have a chicken sandwich and an iced tea. You? Sarah. I'll get a salad and coffee. Let's order. They walk up to the counter. A friendly cashier smiles at them. Cashier. Hi. What can I get for you today? Anna. I'd like a chicken sandwich and an iced tea, please. Cashier. Anything else? Anna. No, thank you. Shara. And I'll have the salad and a small coffee. Cashier. Great. That'll be $14.50. Anna. I'll pay for both. Shara. Thank you. I'll get it next time. Cashier. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. They sit at a table by the window. Shara. So, how's work going? Anna. It's busy but good. I had a meeting this morning. Shara. How did it go? Anna. I was nervous but I shared an idea. My boss liked it. Shara. That's awesome. You're getting better at speaking English. Anna. I'm trying. I still make mistakes, but I want to improve. Cashier. Here you go. 1 sandwich and iced tea, and 1 salad with coffee. Anna and Sarah. Thank you. They begin eating. Shara. This place has the best salads. Anna. Yeah. I like the sandwiches too. Not too heavy for lunch. Shara. Are you still going to the English class on Friday? Anna. Yes. I really like it. The teacher speaks slowly, and we practice speaking a lot. Shara. That's great. I'm thinking about joining too. How's work going? I want to improve my English. They finish lunch and get ready to go. Anna. Thanks for meeting me. I feel more relaxed now. Shara. Me too. Let's do this again soon. Anna. Definitely. See you Friday. Shara. Bye. Anna walks back to work, feeling happy and more confident. Anna returns to her office after lunch. She feels fresh and ready to work. She opens her laptop and checks her emails. Anna. I have 3 new emails. She reads one from her manager. Email. Hi Anna. Can you please send the updated sales report by 3 p.m. today? Thank you. James. Anna. Okay. I will finish the report now. She opens a spreadsheet and works for 30 minutes. Then she writes a reply. Anna's reply. Hey James. I have updated the sales report. Please find it attached. Let me know if you have any questions. Best regards. Anna. Suddenly her phone rings. It's a call from a client. Anna. Hello, this is Anna speaking. Client. Hi Anna, this is Mr. Brown. I have a question about our order. Anna. Sure, how can I help you? Client. We ordered 100 boxes, but we received only 90. Anna. I'm very sorry about that. Let me check with our shipping department. Can I call you back in 10 minutes? Client. Yes, that's fine. Thank you. Anna. Thank you, Mr. Brown. I'll call you shortly. Anna talks to her coworker in the shipping team. Anna. Hi Mike, Mr. Brown says he got only 90 boxes. The order was for 100. Can you check? Oh, I see. We made a mistake. I'll send the extra 10 boxes today. Anna. Great. Thank you. Anna calls the client back. Anna. Hello Mr. Brown, I checked with our team. We made a mistake, but we are sending the other 10 boxes today. Mr. Brown. Thank you for the quick response. Anna. You're welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else. Anna writes one more email before the day ends. Email to a new client. Hello Mr. Lee. It was nice to meet you yesterday. I'm sharing our price list and product catalog. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Best regards. Anna. Anna. Today was a good day. I answered a phone call in English, wrote some emails, and helped a client. I feel more confident now. It's 6 p.m. Anna finishes her work, shuts down her laptop, and leaves the office. She takes the bus home. She looks out the window and thinks about her day. Anna. I wrote emails, helped a client, and spoke English on the phone. I'm learning every day. When she gets home, her son Alex runs to the door. Alex. Hi, Mom. Anna. Hi, sweetheart. How was your day? Alex. It was good. I read a book and played soccer. Anna. That's great. Are you hungry? Alex. Yes. Anna goes to the kitchen. She takes out some rice and vegetables and begins to cook.